Hi everyone. I just wanted to welcome you to the class and to go over a little bit the course page so that make sure you're oriented to the course page. So you can see that the tabs are up here. So if you hit content, you will notice that the tabs also appear along the left side for you to view the assignments. So there is an overview of the class. Your textbooks are here. I think that you'll find the textbooks really helpful. And then the APA manual is required, and there is a new edition. So it might be helpful for you to visit the APA webpage. So it's apastyle.apa.org, and I've got it on my welcome letter as well. So you can also find the syllabus. So I encourage you to review the syllabus as well. We will follow the course goals, and you can see the outline in the syllabus. So direct discussions. Every week the discussions are due, and you must reply to two peers as well. And you can see that there is a requirement for the length of words for your initial posting and for your response to peers. So I look forward to your discussions. In addition to the first week's discussion that is listed on your assignments, I also have introduction discussion posts. So please introduce yourself to your peers, share a little bit about yourself. It's kind of fun to find commonalities that we all share, but also to see all your responsibilities and what you use to how you manage stress, and any hobbies that you have, or what you're looking forward to in the class. So just feel free to share, and I will also read each one. Okay, so we have no quizzes, but I do want to introduce you to the virtual classroom. The virtual classroom is where we can meet for one-on-ones, or anytime you need assistance, we can meet in the virtual classroom. So what happens is I will show you. When you're in the course, if you hit the title of the course again, it brings you up to announcements. So on the front page of every course are announcements, and this is important to look at because I will post weekly announcements. Sometimes it's supportive resources to help you with your assignments. Sometimes it's what's going on. So take a look at that. But right here is my welcome letter for you. Just shares a little bit about myself. But getting back to the virtual classroom, down here you'll see a link so that you can make an appointment with me to meet in the virtual classroom. So I encourage you to do that. I'm available to you. Any kind of guidance, or if you rather, you can email me. I do try to be very responsive to the emails. So feel free to do that as well. We have the Writing Center. So you can just hit on the tab, and hopefully everything is organized in here. And this is your Getting Started guide. So please read that. It has expectations for the course, grading policies, due dates as well. And it's really important that you read that to get started. And here you'll find the content for the Writing Center as well. So you can click on that. And you see these resources that are here to help you. There's also a link to the library, and the library also has guides for you. So we have all the updated COVID-19, the coronavirus updates here. So that's quite useful, but also resources for your schoolwork, and there is a whole library section for the School of Nursing. So take a look at that. I think you'll find it. Probably the most frequent place you'll go, because you'll find all your resources there. All right, so let me go back to the home page. And here we are. So I do want to welcome you to the class. Stress again that I'm available to you to help you be successful. I'm really excited that you've decided to pursue your doctorate. It's wonderful. So I look forward to hearing from you, and I wish you the best. Thank you.